if you want to use a memory card on Redmi 15, then first of all we need to take a look at the left side of the phone where we have our SIM tray, and we need to insert the eject tool into this hole that we have right next to the SIM tray. So put the eject tool into this hole and then use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out, like so. Now we can use our hand or our fingers in order to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. Now over here we have the front side. This is the face up side, which we can tell by this text over here. I'm not sure if we can actually see it. There we go. And in order to use the memory card, we just have to insert it into this bigger slot like this. And you have to be careful because these slots are really loose, so it's really easy to drop it. It's really easy to lose the microSD card by accident. There we go. Make sure that it's fully in and don't drop it in the process. Now we need to insert the SIM tray back into the phone. There we go. And you want to be careful. You might want to hold it down over here. You want to hold the microSD card so that it goes in, and then just push it all the way in with your finger and make sure that it is fully in, that it doesn't stick out or anything. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.